Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we shall guide you through the process of designing the perfect kitchen garden layout to maximize space, yield, and efficiency. Whether you have a small balcony or a large backyard, a well-planned garden can help you grow fresh herbs, vegetables, and fruits right at your doorstep. Here we shall explore the best layout ideas for different types of kitchen garden, including raised beds, vertical gardens, container gardens, and traditional in-groups plants. Learn how to optimize your space by grouping plants with similar water and sunlight needs, and how to use companion planting to improve growth and deter pests. Let's discuss some key topics covered. Choosing the right garden layout for your available space, maximizing vertical space with trellises and wall-mounted planters, crop rotation, and soil health tips for a sustainable garden, essential herbs and vegetables to grow in your kitchen garden. Practical design tips for easy access and maintenance. You are a beginner or an experienced gardener. This video will provide you with the knowledge to create a thriving kitchen garden that produces fresh, organic food throughout the year. Start growing your own food today by designing a functional and beautiful kitchen garden layout. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.